Sailing. Yachting is an Olympic sport starting from the games of the first Olympiad, with the exception of 1904 and possible 1916. Sailing was always a part of the Olympic program. The sailing program of 1960 consisted of a total of 5 sailing classes. For each class 7 races were scheduled from the 29th of August 1960 to the 7th of September 1960 off the coast of Naples at the Gulf of Naples. The sailing was done on the triangular-type Olympic courses. The start was made in the center of a set of 8 numbered marks that were places in a circle. During the starting procedure, the sequence of the marks was communicated to the sailors. By picking the mark that was most upwind, the start could always be made upwind. This system is, at least in certain German lakes, still in use. Venue: in the Gulf of Naples, in the zone overlooking Santa Lucia. 3 ports were used for launching and mooring of the Olympic classes: Mergellina for Finn and Flying Dutchmen, Borgo Marinari for Dragons, Malosilio for Star and 5.5 meter. 3 course areas were used. Competition. Overview: continents: Africa, Asia, Oceania, Europe, Americas. Countries: classes equals male equals female equals open. Medal summary. Medal table. Remarks. Measurement at the Olympics became more and more professional. Sailing again. This Olympic sailing event was gender independent, but turned out to be a men-only event. This was one of the triggers to create gender-specific events. This, however, had to wait until 1988, since the distance between Rome and Naples, a separate organization was created for the sailing events. The name of this organization was Solo Mio. The Italian Navy was responsible for the courses and the towing in and out of the yachts. According to the official report, this was done on a very prompt manner, and we quote, "The only accident to occur, which resulted in the loss of the Lebanese Flying Dutchman, cannot be imputed to the method employed by the rescue crew after the boat had overturned, but to the incompetence of the Lebanese F.D. crew who attached the tow cable around a belaying cleat fixed to the deck. According to current standards, a huge amount of sails was allowed for use during the Olympics. Finn, 1 sail. Flying Dutchman, 4 sets of sails. Star, 6 sets of sails. Dragon, 6 sets of sails. 5.5 meter, 6 sets of sails. 106 journalists of 52 countries were reporting the sailing event. Many former Olympians acted in the race committee, the International Jury and Measurement Committee. Examples are Peter Scott, Beppe Croce, Eddie Stutterheim, Jean-Jacques Bulot and Edgar Ben. Sailors. During the sailing regattas at the 1960 Summer Olympics, among others, the following persons were competing in the various classes. Denmark: Paul Elvstrøm, winning his 4th consecutive gold medal, this time in the Finn. Thailand: Prince of Thailand, Prince Banubandabira in the Star. Finland: past President International Sailing Federation, Peter Tallberg in the 5.5 meter.